Loads of vibrant colors, flowers everywhere. Join the Monkey Madness Flower Parade.
The sun painted the sky in hues of gold as the Monkey Madness Kingdom prepared for its annual flower parade. The air was thick with anticipation, the scent of freshly cut flowers mingling with the excited chatter of the crowd. Along the historic main street, the floats were ready. Each one was a masterpiece of floral artistry, adorned with vibrant blooms of every color imaginable. Some depicted fantastical creatures, while others celebrated the kingdom's rich heritage. But the real stars of the show were the monkeys. As the parade began, a cheer erupted from the crowd. A majestic float, adorned with a towering floral arch, led the procession. A group of capuchin monkeys, dressed in tiny suits, sat atop the arch, their eyes sparkling with mischief. They waved to the crowd, their tiny hands clutching miniature flags. Behind them, a float shaped like a giant banana was pulled by a team of playful chimpanzees. Dressed in colorful costumes, they chattered excitedly as they marched along. On the banana, a troupe of rhesus macaques danced and played, their acrobatic feats eliciting gasps of delight from the onlookers. As the parade continued, the floats grew more extravagant. There was a float shaped like a majestic peacock, its tail feathers crafted from delicate orchids. A group of spider monkeys swung gracefully from its branches, their long tails trailing behind them. Another float depicted a bustling marketplace, complete with miniature shops and stalls. A troupe of baboons, dressed as merchants, haggled with each other, their playful antics drawing laughter from the crowd. As the parade reached its climax, a giant float shaped like a monkey king appeared. The king, a majestic silverback gorilla, sat atop a throne made of flowers. A crown of vibrant blooms adorned his head, and a scepter made of bamboo was clutched in his powerful hands. As he waved to the crowd, a chorus of monkeys let out a triumphant roar, echoing through the streets. The Monkey Madness Parade was a spectacle to behold. It was a celebration of nature, creativity, and community spirit. As the final float disappeared from sight, the crowd erupted in applause, their hearts filled with joy and wonder. The parade had been a magical experience, a testament to the unique and enchanting world of the Monkey Madness Kingdom. The vibrant energy of the Monkey Madness Parade was palpable, a jubilant symphony of color and sound that left an indelible mark on the hearts of all who witnessed it. As the last of the floats and the final exuberant monkeys receded into the distance, the streets of the kingdom were filled with an air of satisfied contentment. Children scampered through the streets, clutching brightly colored balloons and waving flags, their faces alight with joy. Adults gathered in small groups, animatedly discussing their favorite parts of the parade and exchanging tales of the fantastical floats and the clever antics of the monkeys. The local vendors, who had set up temporary stalls to cater to the parade goers, began to pack up their goods, but their faces too wore the satisfied smiles of a day well spent. In the heart of the parade route, the echo of monkey laughter and cheerful chatter still lingered, mingling with the fragrance of flowers that had begun to drift away with the breeze. The flower petals that had been showered throughout the procession slowly settled on the ground, creating a mosaic of colors that added a final touch of magic to the scene. As twilight approached, the sky turned a deep, rich blue, and the first stars began to twinkle. Lanterns, strung along the streets, were lit one by one, casting a warm, golden glow over the area. The kingdom's residents, now winding down from the day's excitement, began to gather for evening festivities. Families enjoyed picnics, and musicians played lively tunes, ensuring the revelry continued well into the night. The Monkey Madness Parade had once again lived up to its reputation as a grand celebration of creativity and unity. It was a reminder of the joy found in shared traditions and the beauty that can be created when communities come together to celebrate their unique heritage. The memories of this year's parade would surely be cherished and recounted with fondness, eagerly awaited by the people of the Monkey Madness Kingdom until the next grand event. That's all, folks. It's time to clean up. Please follow for more. Thank you.